Hey guys, Mike here from Arrigo Outdoor Adventures. We are down here at Lake Weiss during the crappie spawn. The crappie queen and I, and joined with Jim from the next cast, are going to try to get on some spawning crappie. Post eclipse, post apocalypto, during the rainstorm. Let's see what happens.
Woo woo! Arrigo Outdoor Adventures. Go get you one.
All right. That is a keeper, and she's got one too. All right, get it in the boat, honey. Ha 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 ha. I thought your line was swimming sideways, honey.
Okay, you take
Crappie queen got him. Look at him, he's waving hello. I don't think he's quite keeper size.
I don't think he is either. I mean, you could check it.
I was looking at your line, I'm like, is that going sideways? Here, let's open your bail up, please.
That was a bobber just right off the back of the boat, man. I think this one's a keeper, Mike. So,
Oh yeah,
no, I'm trying to.
that's a beautiful white crappie.
Okay, take this thing. This thing doesn't.
Oh, you got one.
I didn't even know I had a fish.
We're 11 inches.
I picked it up. There was a fish on it.
Oh, I'm down. No, I'm not. He's floating to Albuquerque.
I didn't realize I had a fish on it.
Yeah, I got a fish.
Do you?
Yeah, on this one that was way out there. Little one, little bitty guy. Little white bass. Okay, the rain quit. Praise the Lord. Let the earth hear his voice. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Let the people rejoice. Oh, come to the Father through Jesus the Son. Give him the glory, great things he has done. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Let the earth hear his voice. Praise the Lord. Let the people rejoice. Oh, come to the
I
Father.
think both of our drop shots on this side are up pretty good on the ground.
Well, then it might need to go down more.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that's Jim's drop shot right there, and that's mine right
Yep.
there.
Well, see, you got to remember, when you have it touch the ground, then you lean in the boat, you're picking it up.
Yep.
So you got to make up that difference if you
But
want
look
it
at
on the bottom.
brush.
Well, that's a chance we're willing to take, honey. Oh, there you go. Your gray one, honey. You got a fish. You got a fish. You got a fish. Set the hook. Oh, that's a keeper.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good job, man.
I watched it go down. I'm like, there it goes.
Beautiful.
All right, got me one. You think it's big enough? Yeah.
Yep.
That'll work.
Yep. I'm gonna lip
Hit me
it.
in the face.
A lip it good. Hit you in the face. Why would I want to hit you in
No.
the face, honey?
I thought something hit me in the face.
Oh, I thought you wanted me to hit you in the face. What?
No.
Well, I'm not gonna hit you. I would never touch the crappie queen. Ever. She would hurt me. And I can't hold on to nothing and measure anything. There we go.
Where's your orange one, Michael Joseph?
You are 10.5, babe.
Excellent.
More orange ones over there. Open that Coca-Cola.
Thank you, guys.
Crappie queen and Jimbo, the Galbraiths are on fire. And he's got one now.
All right.
The Galbraiths are on fire.
Oh. Yeah,
No?
that's not going to keep.
No, probably not.
That is what you
Going back. Oh, I'm down.
Yes, you are.
Come on, Michael.
Got one. And that is a keeper.
Mike's got a nice one. Oh, yeah.
Oh, shh. I'm glad because this came off again.
Good job, Mike.
All right.
That's a beautiful catch.
That is
Going
a
on with my net. All right.
That's a keeper.
guys.
Where'd it go?
I just caught a black crappie.
Good job, hon.
Let's see how big our black crappie is. If and only if
Come on, Butterfingers.
I can pick it up, Butterfingers. He is 10.25, 10.5.
Nice.
There we go. Stupid 8-foot pole.
All right.
It's a baby.
It's a baby. Throw it back.
You know what's wrong with the 8-foot pole, guys?
What?
It's 8 feet long. It's in the way. It's like having big feet. Big feet, Mike. They call them big feet pole. He's got the big long pole. It's in the way. Trying to set the hook, smacking into stuff with it. Okay, guys. I just caught this one, and I caught these two on the drop shot at exactly the same time. And I think I'm down behind me. No, I'm not. Holy cow. That's crazy. Got us a black crappie, a white crappie, and another black crappie.
All right.
That's crazy. That's awesome.
Arrigo Outdoor Adventures.
Well, there's fish here.
He tripled up.
There we go.
Got that one measured.
Honey, you got a fish on your green pole.
Green pole, green
He's swimming with it.
Guys, on the property.
10 1/4. Lift her straight up, babe. That is a largemouth bass. Look at that.
mouth bass.
We're on a feeding frenzy now.
Okay.
Look at that.
Now I couldn't even get my other pole out. We catch a fish left and right.
Let the little fella go.
Okay, this one we're keeping.
Yep. That's a keeper.
Keeper.
Keeper. Keeper. That's what I said. Keeper. It's a keeper. Wow. I don't know what you've done. Oh, I'm down.
Oh, get it, baby, get it. Come on, baby.
Got him.
Big crappie, big crappie.
That's a
big crappie.
keeper. Oh, yeah. I got him.
Woo! Nice. Look at that.
I knew that was going to happen. He was probably right at 10 or 11. 10 probably.
Nice, nice.
Yeah. Beautiful black crappie.
Beautiful black crappie.
I'm going to have to cut your line and fix it. Jeez.
No, I ain't cutting.
I won't cut the drop shot. He is 10 1/8. Just made it.
1/8.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to keep.
Oh, I'm down. Got him. Oh, that's a nice one.
All right, all right.
Got him?
Yeah.
All right, there's another.
That's about 11. Yeah. I looked off the back. I'm like, hey, my bobber's gone. Look at that. Oh, yeah. He's right about 10,
They seem
10
to
and a
be
half.
stacked on that side of the. That side of the.
Yeah. Well, that other brush pile's right there, but I wouldn't get no bites on it.
Well, they probably moved in from there.
Yeah, I think my
10 and a half.
Beautiful.
sabotage
We'll
mine.
take them. They're not huge, but they're keepers.
I think Mike's doing little things to sabotage me, so we can't catch anything. He's back there. Mike, you got fish on the back pole.
Yep. Oh, that's a nice
Put that
one.
down, Andy. He needs that. Sorry, that's a big fish.
Yep.
That is a massive crappie. Oh my God, get the net underneath that.
Come on, come on, come on.
Hit my drop shot. Thank you.
Shoot, we need to move out that way.
Look at that, and it fell right out.
Ooh, baby, look at that. And it's got big eyes. I wonder why, because crappie have big eyes. Okay, let me duck.
Hang on to that for a second, Mike. Let us get this out of the way
Beautiful.
so we can get you.
All right.
Andy, you want to get me?
Arrigo Outdoor Adventure. Yeah, I need to get you unhooked over here.
That way you guys can do everything you need to do. I'm sorry, I did not mean to catch your line.
Oh.
Well, I'm not sure.
Yeah, you're like, Mike, my drop shot was about to fall in the water. Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm. I saw your line running.
Oh, I'm down. Got him.
Okay, let go of that end. Sorry.
That's a little,
Never mind, never mind.
it's a little baby. It's a yellow bass.
Mike's got us all jacked up so that he can.
Oh, I'm down.
kidding me?
No. Oh, this one came off. Dang, it went whoop. Wow, that's insane.
Not like I did it on.
Happens in threes.
Okay, I think we got it.
That was crazy. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's a little white bass here. He little fella. I'm down.
You are not down. Ready? Oh, you got another one.
Good job.
Little one. Oh, you're down, Jim. Oh, I'm down. Got him. That's a keeper.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Yep. My friend is another black crappie. Let's see how big he is. Every time. I'm just not very good at this.
Why are you doing that? I'm going over your hair.
He is 11 inches, honey.
All right.
11 and a half.
Good job.
Get this out of the way. You're down.
Mm-hmm.
Do you need the net?
Oh, yes, I need a net. I really think I'm going to need a net. Oh, it's not as big as I thought, but it's still good, isn't it?
Yeah, let some line on it. That's a beauty.
Shoo. That
Okay,
happened
close
fast.
your bail. There you
It
go.
is closed.
Lip it. Lip it good.
There you go. Got me one, finally. Pay attention to those pretty nails there.
Okay. There we go. Got him. Oh, that's a nice fish. I doubled up and the one fell off,
Ah!
but it was a little one.
We might have to just move out that way and fish that area.
Oh, I'm down.
Get it, baby.
Got him?
Yeah, that's a catfish.
Do you need help?
Of course, and he runs through my other line. Yeah, I knew it had. I could tell by the way it went down. Chunk. Ooh, he's talking.
Cat knees. There you go.
Of course, he ain't hooked.
Multi-species.
He talking. Hear him?
Yeah, I do hear him. I'm putting this pole out of the way.
Well, I could get it out of your mouth if you'd let go. Quit clamping down on it. I tried. Crazy fish. Yep, channel cat. I was afraid of that. What? 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 Where the crappie hiding? You got first-hand info. Where'd they be? Oh, now what's the matter? Cat got your tongue? When Mindy's talking, I'm like, where are your buddies at? And he shuts right up. Mm-hmm.
It's like, let me go.
They all working together.
Telling you nothing.
Okay. Okay.
Is that big enough to keep?
No.
Oh.
No, it's just a
I
little
didn't see
baby.
it.
Oh yeah, it's just a baby. Little white crappie. Well, good brood for next year, huh?
Which way did I go?
You good?
Am I
The
good?
fish catch it first.
Okay, we're recording. So, my wife and I just doubled up on warmouths. Check those out.
All right, Weiss Lake Warmouth right here. We just doubled up on them, baby.
Go into war with your
Okay.
mouth.
Let's let them go.
Not quite what we're looking for,
You
guys.
can use them as bait.
Oh, that is so funny. Wow.
Boy, they hit though.
Yeah, I'm like, my bobber's gone.
You think the way my
turn that
bobber
off
went
like
down, I thought I had
All
a
right.
big fish.
Well,
All right.
Evie, what you got there?
I got me a crappie, baby. That's jumping around.
A baby crappie.
No, he ain't a baby.
That's a keeper.
Keeper crappie.
That's a keeper.
Yeah.
Steak.
Woo, woo.
Keeper, keeper.
Do what?
How deep are you fishing?
Hold on.
2 feet?
Right
Oh.
here. Yep.
She got
Hanging
a,
out on that one little.
she got a keeper.
I got a keeper, baby.
Is that what you mean, keeper? That's what we said, a
Yeah.
keeper.
How big is he? Oh, you don't have the thing over
I got the puck. I'm gonna check it.
Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah,
Minnow.
that's 11 inches.
there. Nice.
Oh, we ain't going anywhere yet.
Throw that on
Nope.
there.
There's some crappie swimming around.
Could you put a minnow on this one?
I will gladly put a minnow on there for you, honey. I'll get your
I gotta
minnow.
catch that fish while I'm working on
I want you to catch that fish. I want you to catch a freaking keeper crappie because
the $10,000 rodeo.
ooh, that would be awesome.
Always go Mississippi, whatever.
That's good.